Aplake POD Store Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume print-on-demand stores are limited, but Aplake offers creative freedom for custom apparel with unique branding options. Aplake allows you to create t-shirts, hoodies, hats, and more with custom fabrics, labels, and embroidery. One standout feature is the branding options. You can add custom tags, woven labels, and even unique interior designs, making your product stand out. Most people assume POD platforms offer limited quality. The surprising truth is Aplake uses high-quality fabrics and printing techniques, including sublimation and embroidery, ensuring professional results. You can also order samples to verify quality before selling. Another advantage is integration. Aplake connects with Shopify and Etsy, allowing automated order fulfillment so you don't manage inventory or shipping. You can focus on marketing and design while Aplake handles production. However, prices may be higher than standard POD services due to premium materials and branding. Small sellers should plan accordingly. Despite this, Aplake is ideal for creators looking to differentiate their apparel brand. If you want a POD service that allows true customization and branding, Aplake is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest reviews of print-on-demand platforms.